If Microsoft Edge is showing an error 503, don't worry. This is usually a server-side issue, which means the website you're trying to open may be temporarily down for maintenance or overloaded. In many cases, the best fix is simply to wait a little while and try again later. But if the error keeps happening, there are a few easy things you can do in Microsoft Edge to get back online faster. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next tutorial. First, let's understand what error 503 means. In simple terms, it usually means the website's server is unavailable right now. So before you start changing settings in your browser, check whether the website is working for other people too. If it is a temporary outage, no browser setting can fully fix it right away. In that case, waiting and trying again later is the right move. Now, if the website should be working and you still see the error in Microsoft Edge, the next step is to try opening the site in a private window. To do that, open Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose New InPrivate window. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. Once the private window opens, type the website address again and see if it loads properly. This works because private mode starts with a cleaner browsing session and can avoid certain cookie or session problems. If the site still does not load, the next thing to do is clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for browser-related website errors. To do that in Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and the Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. If you want, you can also choose a time range like all time for the most thorough cleanup. Then click Clear Now. After clearing the cache and cookies, close Microsoft Edge completely and reopen it. Then go back to the website and try loading it again. In many cases, this simple reset removes broken session data and lets the page load normally. If you were signed into the site before, you may need to log in again after clearing cookies, so keep that in mind. If the error still appears after that, give the website a little time and try again later. Since 503 errors often come from the website itself, the issue may be outside your browser entirely. But for most users, these steps help identify whether the problem is temporary maintenance, an in-private session issue, or corrupted browser data. So to quickly recap, first, wait and try again if the site is under maintenance. Second, test the site in a private window. Third, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete in Microsoft Edge and clear your cookies and cache. These are the easiest and most reliable ways to troubleshoot a Microsoft Edge 503 error. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.